Accident for that side for Bumiebel since more than 50 minutes. Now some big gongoro then said they meet up head to head for that side. No man never sabi wetin will happen, but you never feel for talk whether any person he don't die or no man never die for the accident. According to tori wey enter for with EM, na motor wey e carry firewood on top e jam another one. We go bring another image maybe for last part for inside tori for this afternoon. As well the year road for that side for Bumiebel, it don't lock things for more than 50 minutes for Sikada accident where it happened for that side. Inside tori for this afternoon, so now people then for that side from Buddha for Bamboo Tools, they just also check their sense after with some 30-year-old boy. Gendarme man, he take gun, he shoot it for Sika say he no give 500. According to tori wey enter for EM, this gendarme man, he be already finish work for day. If you want go Tana for roads, forget his small thing for go buy gari. Now for the ready ballot, he follow you on top this chapter. We go talk palava for land for inside Wala here for Bojongom. Now people then say they did make mash this morning time for Sika say land where they should done on top. One person is saying land. He don't couple fence for more than 50 people them say they must to come out. For that side for Edeyam, na church, edified land with school. All the tori then so plus way to way newspaper then talk we go bring them for now for this afternoon for this side so for Equinox Tori House. Big part talk, editor we say waiting. Say if frog he never enter for hot water, he no go ever sabi say two kind water them the day. If frog he never ever enter for hot water, he no go ever sabi say two kind of water them the day. We want say big thank you for Mbu Paul, you dey now for that side for Holland. Now for you we get big part talk for this afternoon. At the turn back small time. Good afternoon. We're glad for joining us again. Number 2 time, number 4 day for inside the week, number 2 day for number 8 moon. Tori for this afternoon, we go turn back for that side for ASOS, for Yawende. We talk this palava for this Wala palava way happen for Dove, for ASOS, na place where all kind of thing they sell am. Where population for that side, he hears say some woman. E dey make nan jaw, say people they can't take anything they want for inside Dove. Now so two people then to the flop for that side for Dove. E be then for Wednesday, people they flop for inside. All man, if one can pick his own small thing after a woman, e be talk for some 2 people the way they be meet up them for inside supermarket say waiting. May they take anything where they want for take am, e go pay am. Now so two tori, e jump come up for outside. Population full up, police people them, gendarme themselves, they become for can look out supermarket for Dove, for Sika say the tori, he enter for plenty people their ESOT, now outside for inside Dove, it be then a palava for waiting, palava for population, where they can say then to the one can carry their own jaw cargo, for go with them. Bellas last, according to Torio enter for we EM, he try for tell we say the woman, e no be can now with plenty money as well people they be talk say be carry 2 billion e be one spend am for 5 minutes. They say the woman e be can now with some small rapid money where e meet up people them for inside market day. E talk say me they take to the one time e go pay. This woman e get 50 years and e be can with some small picking where e get that kind of 7 and 8 years according to way people they be talk. But true according to way social media be talk say the woman be can with 2 billion. Big pom. Now social media be add that money. The woman says e be no become with money where e even reach 500,000 according to way people them where they be there for they talk. Plenty people they be the check say that woman fit enter for Douala today to Kangi Asawe Bedna Lime. They say that woman e hate e no define the woman they be takey and just now when they also follow for on top that tori for that woman. We take una go for that side so for Bamboo Tools now for West region for talk waiting for talk this palava young boy where he get that kind of 30 years they dey call it na ano tene. Na was speak to that wey family people dey dey cry. All these family people dey dey cry na for sika say wetin they don shoot their pikin. Their pikin e be dey manage life. Na dey come be this way their pikin be dey with am time wey the thing e happen, and this e come be wey even e say get wound after wey gendarme e take gun e shoot this boy wey dey call am say ano tene for sika say wetin e talk for ano say e must to give 500 wey na 500 for pay say make e pass. Ano ten deny say e no go give am. Na so two ketu man e comot gun e shoot am. Na e friend that wey be dey with am e talk all thing as wey e pass. Na so two family e run come for mortuary for that side so wey the thing pass for can see their pikin. Last they be see their pikin, they no see am. Na one of the woman dem this for that young boy 30-year boy wey e dey so e too e be die. All they become for can see the pikin after wey they turn am for outside. Gendarme people they take the body go put am for mortuary wey dem no show am for no of the family people dem. So e dey na big cry die. Family say sote now e dey ask question whether na for sika only 500 wey gendarme man e go comot gun e shoot pikin for sika say e no pay no money. Na big tori that wey e be pass for that side so for Bamboo Tools inside west region. We sabi say oga minister for palava defence Joseph Beti Asomo and even minister wey the local gendarme people dem oga Galax Etogam dey get for put them up inside this palava for 500. I say palava for 500 na im wey e don carry person head e go. We go surely turn back for talk that palava as wey tori e dey happen. We go left palava for that boy wey dey shoot for sika money. We take una go for Bojongo side for talk say be dey na big mash for that side this early morning time for sika say population dey vex. Na landis wey dem don dish-don for inside e don stay. Court case sesep e dey na book that wey dey show say dem don carry palava go for court, but one person wey e say e big and e get connection, e say make all the family people there dey dish-don inside that land make dem comot. They say they no wan war. They want and say make all thing eternal fine. They no wan choco for inside country. Na landis and na fence that one I say we don't start make fence for cover all people them. Say make they come out. But that population for Bojongo, all them they be come out for outside today for talk say that kind of thing. E no fine. They dey call even Nkunkuma and Governor Sesep for inside Douala here for them to for join put them up. All the family people them they dey ask question when they wan comot the way they get all their book them for land, waiting they expect people them for do. Now they told you that for side for Bojongo for this early morning time where population they wake up for talk say one man a one come carry their land a go with them. So for palava for land for place where they call am say a dey am na church a dey fight land with his school. As a church a fight land with his school. If you see for back story building they when na school dey. Na church this church for them they claim say school e don enter for inside their land. So after church e finish, I say after church e finish, all church people then they come out. I say by first work e dey say no they dey dig. They say school e dey take style inyati enter for inside their land. I say church people they say they come out, they come with the digger. They start dig their land, dig. All the dig wey they dig so na for say wetin they wan put rope say make school e no just try cross. Say school e don enter for their land so they no want am say school cross. They put that iron wey when you pass on top e go chook you. So church versus school sika palava land for Edea e be dey na different thing. They say school e don dey nyati enter for church land. Na wey church say can put their own stone then sesep and they talk say make school e look out. I say church people them for Edea side all them they comot. Now for APC as wey they call am they comot. They talk say that thing wey school want make am so e no go pass at all. Na private school e be the knack hand with a private church. You understand? Na denomination church, no government church never ever dey and private church no dey. But the one na APC as wey they call am for that side so for Edea. After all thing all master carry digger dey go house for talk say wetin they dey wait make they see as wey school e go enter for inside their church. I say they dey wait say make they see na Eglise Presbyterian for that side for Edea wey they dey fight land with the school. You dey see no school e dey take style e enter for land. So church e finish, all church people dey gather. They talk say they must to block that place. Say wey no go dey for the people dem for enter. Then say they take their digger dig land, put iron. They talk say make no man e no cross. So now the palava fight that for that side. So for Edea, for church and school on top land. We go left palava for land. We go turn back for the palava for dirty because now for sika say wetin. Na thing wey we get for talker. We the year say company wey dey carry dirty don sign book again for remain for Cameroon so 2020 something. I no care. But people dem from Abanda market sote now as well dey talk dirty company wey dey carry dirty no sabi. Then the thing wey e find plenty no matter as wey dirty dey na for there wey some of imami dem dey make their market on top. You understand? Na for there wey some of imami dem dey make market. Na mami that way e dey peel banana dey for go outside make other woman the way they no fit go peel banana for house they can buy am for outside. See for back dirty, see side wey dey peel banana. And when you can't buy banana so carry and go, you go cook am, you start sick. You go ask yourself say where who say I comot with this kind of sick? You no go remember say you be buy banana for some side. Mami no vex, I no dey spoil your market. Inside store, inside market sef bine place dey wey dey turn up empty. All bine place the market people dey run go for outside. Bine people dem they dey run go na for outside market. For Mabanda, for sika say wetin road for inside market e don rotten. Road for inside market e don rotten. No man know the one for enter for market for buy. For sika say road when rain e fall na different thing. For outside say wey dey make the market na danger. Na okada that way motor don fake kiki small for back. Now for corner road where they don't decide for go make market. Now only for the way motor dem too dey pass. They pass. When something happen now for they go talk say wetin. They go talk say they no be sabi say if it happen. Market e dey empty. Whether na who the local market themselves for inside the Douala. Oga Ntone na you or na mayor dem or na who the local market for Douala. Una get for she don fine. Una check una sense. These people they pay tax. Mami, why is they so you dey fear for enter market?
From Mabanda market, and the market be too bad. More day inside market where no they will fit buy. Me I be buy and I the cook chop sell for Africa. So most of the people then they run the inside market. Picking the for road they sell woman they sell for road there. And it be too risky because as that people they say for the way African motor the pass, where if you jump picking or any woman they say, but woman they run for come for inside market because market no fine. Some of the government try to see what way if you do for inside the market be too bad. Place then just be mud, big hole then they all sides. But some of we will struggle for come inside come by, we be forced to come.
Poto for inside market sef e no fine. Papa, your own problem na wetin?
For market, with the bed that delegate say make we take care for week. And when the day to the give we sick. Every day when they can move, with the government they get 1 week they no can move. All the market is smell and smell. But they give we us mosquito, all cancer fever, all typhoid. With the best government they just make some movement for week, for market, for inside market. Our market, Mabanda market. Mabanda market get plenty people, like 4,000 people. Where they fit try, just maybe make sure they get sick. They fit live on Bokota. Bokota get many people. They go route for market. They get like 4,000 people. They order the how warm amber week. Oh yeah, with that water where they come on inside leak, all the land route, the prices, they control we for market. Say they live in Bokota, we try. I will Bokota know the from. Oh yeah, back then every day from every day don't try to move. Every day we will get the same problem.
Well, as Sabi say with the talk now for better people the way they dey hear. Person wey talk say Cameroon no get money, make you forget. If Cameroon no get money, e no go dey be hospital dem 11 wey dem no dey use am. We go turn back for the hospital for back burial ground for Mabanda, place where they bury Kotobas. If you just finish that place for that place, now the burial ground that and boundary for hospital. Now hospital this way people they say they don't build am since, and Angom na make this hospital. But so today, as we with the talk, hospital you get is the ever lock. No motor no the enter, no motor no the comot. No sick man no dey enter, no sick man no dey comot. No doctor sef with the white clothes they never see me enter, then he comot. For corner the burying ground, for corner hospital, na burying ground that. So where they keep a Kotobas. But for the hospital say people then for that side they ask question. Why did they leave this hospital where they know the user? Now number 2 hospital this one the show now. Where it dey so they don't make am but they know the user. Hospital no be na say na BB hospital, but this kind of small health center dem wey come na the opener. But when they open am so they know the use am, they want am say make wetin happen for there. All sick people dem na for Bonasama. All sick people dem Bonasama. When a private man wan open im own small one, tax they put am on top. Na their own this. They don build am since e dey rot in the go. They know the user. They don abandon. They don leave am. Whether na say they dey fear na cost wey they go comot for Berengra enter for there. Man no sabi. But the hospital since they build a jotanapi. Paint e don old. Rain e fall on top. Sun e dry. Paint oh my mommy. You dey see? Now where's this? I say for up that side so na burial ground there. And just for corner. Na e hospital dey. Whether na say people dey fear na their body demo. Or na for sick waiting man no fit talk. But the hospital they know the user. They know the user. Now number 2 one this one the show. Oga Andre Mama Fuda, you say try for understand it, you know. Now health center they do it for the help people them for inside place and that Mabanda way fair big plenty so. When they leave and so they leave and say maybe who they she done for inside. They want na waste. Now so they talk no. Now waste. Better you know make them than say you make them. Then they know the user. You understand? I don't talk. We go turn back for inside this small pikin their palava on the people them for sabi say even young people them where they dey holiday, if they know they go holiday classes for continue for learn book, better na say make they hear Papa God dey talk. You understand? Now for sika why that way plenty small pikin they don't come up for different side. Boya, Bafusam, Bamenda, Betua, Ebolowa, Yawende, even for Douala, they dey inside Douala here. For Presbyterian youth camp, it means say na for small pikin dem. As well school e dey, school no dey. Now 1 week for take look the pikin dem, teach the pikin dem wetin they fit do, how wey they fit for kneel down prayer, dance for say make they she done with the tiny all time, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Imo, all kind of thing dem. So all the pikin dem don gather for 1 week. Now for teach them wetin way Papa got the own book to talk am. Sabi say some of the pikin them, if you left them so, they no go even sabi to where Papa got the book he talk am at all. And now for year two, some of the pikin them too, they fit change. One day when they sick, maybe prayer fit touch your head, they wear. You understand? So all the pikin them, they don't gather. They come up for different side there. For Presbyterian youth camp, for small pikin them. As well they dey for holiday. 1 week. Now I mean say for Sunday, it go finish for inside Douala here. So your pikin too, he never let oh. He never let for your pikin to for go the place. For it to for go concentrate. He hear wait Papa got the own talk. He dey. Make we hear some of the people then say way they dey for inside there. Waiting they get for talk for inside this small pikin their camp for Douala.
Experience this type of my number 5 years is to come for experience this type of great atmosphere where it be organized every year. This program, I be opportunity to attend because on number 5, it been a very wonderful experience for me for be here. I be blessed say wait for my experience. I know just kind of at the camp. Like one of my testimonies I will share now be say wait I be that kind of person where I be being an asthmatic person. I just get the hand of God and I be healed. I bless the camp for what you don't do for my life.
We try to encourage the public. Say many people don't know about this Presbyterian youth camp. it be a program where they try for teach the picking them, because plenty picking them with their school and with a lot of involvement with the social life, their phones and many other things. Plenty of them know they get time for understand God. Plenty of them know they get time for get fellowship with God. They don't know how for fast. They don't know what we mean by fasting, prayers and the rest. You know, the little time we picking the get them, he go directly for your phone after school. And so this it be the program where they try for train picking how for relate to God.
Very good. Now, some of the people then that they be the talk for Chief Robert Mukube microphone. Make we hear wait away Reverend Sesep, where the local the picking them, Pastor Yango Tabe, Itokam for Chief Robert Mukube own microphone.
Now, an annual issue where it no get boundary. Even though it be organized by the Presbyterian Church in Cameroon, it no mean say people they no be Presbyterians, make they no come. Even though it dey between Bonaberry and Fako North, it no mean say people the way they out of these two presbyteries, make they no come. We just bless God. Say this year we get picking them from 6 other denominations, where they come for can celebrate this youth camp with we. Can they beg up papa them and mommy them say, during holidays we get money for send picking them for holiday classes. After they run the study, they hold.
Can people them na the one that way they pass, but for corner we have, just for we corner here, it be then a palaver for fight. Now with our sacred camera, it will take CD1. Now some 2 boy them, 2 Okada people them, they be the fight for Sika 1,000. Yes, we'll just turn up for corner. We first take una go for that side, so we it dey for place for Edzeka, for Bumiebel, for talk this palaver accident, as we don't start show now. Now accident that's where it happen, as we talk for now. Now the 2 motor then that way the jam for that side for Bumiebel, as we the talk since road it don't lock for that side, so for Bumiebel more than 15 minutes now. We road it lock after we did 2 big motor then the jam. As well the talk, we never feel for confirm how many people they die, but sabi say the motor it be carry firewood. As well the talk na two way they happen just now for that side, so for Bumiebel where accident it happen na motor that way it dey, so they don't put am for one side. We never feel for confirm how many people they die, but normal it dey like say some people don't die for inside the accident for that side, so for Bumiebel. Now the 2 big motor then say they make that accident. As well I talk for now, and for more than 50 minutes now, road for Bumiebel it don't lock for inside Yawende. Sabi say Bumiebel it just then for corner Yawende, and now one of the last big town than that where the meet up before you enter for inside Yawende. So now accident that where it don't just happen for that side. We go turn back for inside this accident proper tomorrow. We want to say big thank you for Joel Nyem where he quick is sent with that image for that side, so for Bumiebel for this accident way it just happened. Just for we for finish story for tell na this palaver small fight where it be happen just for we corner here for Equinox Story House. It concern na 2 Okada people them na far way we take for do the camera as soon as they see them. Na 2 Okada people the way they fight for Sika 1,000. Yes, now for Sika 1,000 way 2 Okada people them they start for fight. So just for we corner here it be then na for Sika say waiting one person be go give another 1,000 after we they carry some people them. So last the other person be one go 1,000. It be then a fight just for we corner here for real push as we they call them. Now for the way this small fight it pass on top 1,000 2 Okada people them there be one key themselves. Make we enter now for waiting way paper themselves they talk today inside the Voice newspaper way they for outside today waiting the Voice newspaper talk Palava for vote for Genyun Kunkuma for 2018. Number 7 day, now where the vote go happen. The Voice, it ask na BB question. Nkunkuma, it go start his own campaign na for Bamenda. Now the question that, where the Voice, it ask him. Even for inside the Voice, you feel read other small to read them. Where it concern this Palava, you feel read for up. As well they tell we, Minister Sese for Transport, it don't give 1 month suspend for Guarantee Express for motorcycle accident wey e make am. Inside the voice too, you fit read tori wey e concern womb, wetin really happen for womb side. The voice newspaper carry that one too on top. Palava Norwest and Southwest, who be the people dem, Anglophone peoples, wey e dey so they wan take the thing like their own palava sesep. You go read am, all the tori dem inside the voice newspaper wey e dey outside with other tori dem wey e carry am. The Guardian Post sesep e dey for outside today, or the Guardian Post, con the people dem. Make we take una for the Guardian Post wey e dey for outside today. Well, make we enter for the Post Weekender wey e dey for outside this afternoon. E dey tell we palava for that boy there wey dey kill am for that side, so for Bakwere town. The Post Weekender e dey try for tell we say wetin, according to people there wey dey be sidon for them, they don tell them wetin wey really happen, and as wey this young boy dem dey take kill them. When Ketu people them, they kill that boy them. Inside the Post Weekender, you feel read tori, palava 2018 vote for Genyun Kunkumam, waiting with that 20 opposition party people them, they fit on get them after where they thought say they go turn up strong for back Nkunkumai back. That answer is there for inside the Post Weekender, way there for outside. Other tori then say where you feel for read them inside the Post Weekender, now for you for enter for them. The Guardian Post is there too for outside today. Inside the Guardian Post, waiting the Guardian Post e get am for tell we today, con the people them. The Guardian Post it they talk now waiting. United Nations Security Council says it don't the show sign say if you buy the case for Norwest and Southwest according to it where the Guardian Post it talk am. Then they ask BB question why Ngomna says it fear this all Anglophone conference number 3 we get for happen. Answer there for inside the Guardian Post plus other one they say Aya Post it don't come out, it talk for this palava all Anglophone conference number 3 where it get for happen say Iggy support this palava for that side for supermarket for Dove it dey for inside the Guardian Post plus as way why CPDM head boy for that side so for Bafoot according to tori the Guardian Post get them they don't tiff it too for that side. No man ever sabi who side the carry go. Last story for this afternoon we will look for inside. Now waiting the Green Reporter where it dey for outside. The Green Reporter where they for outside na palava for we environment. The Green Reporter take we go for Yawende for tell we say waiting palava careless pissing and shitting inside Yawende. It don't cause plenty fear for people them. The Green Reporter says it talk another one. Say waiting, say the way people they throw dirty for Yawende just now. It don't make them. It make people their heart it cut. If you make plenty people then say they sick. For the Green Reporter says if you read other to read them where it concern climate change plus list from Macrofinance House where they don't talk say they fit work where no problem in no dey on top. Now the tori then that's where we bring am for now for this afternoon. Con the people then we want to say big salute for you again. Oga Ekema Emmanuel, you be one of the top people them inside National Assembly. You and family, una dey for we before, only for we say una dey dey. We want to say big thank you for people then too they make and say make tori happen fine as well the talk. Now for say thank you Chief Robert Mukubem, he do dey dem. We want thank you Joel Yem and even you Ngasi Andy Nganyu for Bafang. Big thank you for this side. Big thank you Da Silva Mikel. I want to say big thank you too for you Nadine Wafo, Ledu Pone, and even you Severin Chimbang. Ambassador, he go turn back for some time tomorrow. On a whole, I'm tight.